Things elegant ladies do to always look good. So, investing in self-care is the name of the game. Hi, my name is Angie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I will help you elevate your life and transform to the best version of yourself. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bells so you never miss a thing from me. Follow me on Instagram. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you don't, and let's get into the video. Elegant ladies not necessarily have a lot of money. Some girls, you can see them in your corporate job that they look their best and always put together, and you ask yourself, how do they do that? And today in my video, I'm going to share with you my genuine idea of how to do this. And if you see my old photos, you can tell how much I've learned throughout my life, how to elevate how I look. And today, this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. By the way, there will be some surprise for you. I created a nice freebie for you. It is a planner for high maintenance things that make you low maintenance. These are things that the elegant ladies do, the schedule of them, and I'm going to give you the schedule for that. You can print or you can actually have on your iPad like I do to work with it. So make sure to sign up to get this freebie, but let's get started. So first things first, you have to change your mindset. There is a reason why in the name of this video I put investing in self-care. And investing in self-care is what women of the elite do. They invest in their self-care. And self-care doesn't mean going to the spa and doing facials and that's it. It has a lot behind it. They work smart, not hard, to make sure that they look their best all the time. And this is what I'm going to leave you with as a thought. The first thing we're going to tackle is, are your clothes really fitting you, or you're keeping them for your future self that will lose the weight, gain the weight, look like this, or do a surgery that you've never done yet and you keep saying you will do? That's the thing. Let's start with your closet. Get into your closet, dump everything out and put everything on. This is a timely process, but make an appointment with yourself. Put it in your calendar next Saturday, next Sunday, next whatever day you're free. Put that calendar time slot. Lock yourself in your room, play some music with no lyrics so that you don't get distracted, and get everything out. Categorize those items to tops, bottoms, jackets, outerwear, innerwear, activity wear, whatever wear. Do that and put every single thing on. Blimey, things that are for the outdoors and things for indoors for staying at home. This is very important because this transformation can never happen if you don't start from scratch, from top to bottom. So this is the thing. So start with that. After dumping all of these things, put everything on. Does it fit properly or not? If it doesn't, you either take it to be tailored, or you put it in a bag, or you donate it, or you sell it, but just keep it away from your day-to-day closet where you open it and you need to just like grab something and leave. This is going to transform you immensely once you do that. So this is the first thing. We're checking what fits us well, and we keep what fits us well. In case you have stuff that are dear to your heart, then you take it to be tailored. Find a tailor in your neighborhood that you can trust, that you like. And this is actually a journey. It's like the dentist or like the hairdresser. You have to try a couple until you find a one that works with you. But if you find one from the beginning, from the get-go, lucky you, you've won the jackpot. But not everyone is as lucky as you are. So that's the thing. Take your time until you find the perfect one and get your things tailored. For example, also some shops, when you buy certain things from them, like Uniqlo, they can crop your pants to your height for €3, which is super cheap, but they do it really, really well and good quality. And in 24 hours, you have the pants fitting you properly. This is the thing. So put that in mind. I will make a video actually about the quality of your garments and how to check the price per value of items, but that's coming up next. But for now, look at what you have, what fits you well, what can you get tailored to get better, and what you can purchase and tailor to fit your current body and your current image. Make sure also to know your body type. Elegant ladies know their body type. I have made a test, a Kiwi body test. I am the first platform actually to offer this test online, fully automated and fully for free for you, to help you. Make sure to check it in the blog post. I will link down below. Give me your email and you will receive your test to be able to take the test. So make sure to sign up for that and take the test. Know your body type, and this will automatically transform the way you dress. If you just follow these two things, tailor things and things that follow your body type, immensely you will always look good, and it's a no-brainer. You can start with a capsule closet, by the way, for your work. You can start at work. What can I wear at work that is a no-brainer for me? And from there you build on that. Next part in investing in self-care is hair. By the way, what do you think about my new hair color and haircut? I got this freshly done yesterday, so let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. But that's the thing, haircuts. There is always a body dysmorphia that this era is reflecting upon us. You see girls with thick long hair and you think this is what you want, but the reality, and there is no shame in reality, by the way, you have to accept it and love it in order for yourself to look your best. In reality, you have thin hair, and there is no problem in having thin hair. By the way, my hair is not thick, but the trick is that I know that, and I work not against my hair, trying to apply things that girls with thick hair do to their hair to look gorgeous. I do things that may enhance my current hair state. So know your hair state and work with it. If you have thin hair, bob haircuts work better for you. Maybe haircuts that are like the Princess Diana haircut. Don't go waiting for your hair to be that long when it is thin. You can also invest in hair extensions, but that's the thing. Find a haircut that is easy to maintain, have a schedule with it, and work with that schedule to always have your hair looking put together. Find, as I said, a haircut that suits your hair type and that you can maintain, and schedule it. And the best way to do that is whenever you go to the appointment for haircutting, schedule the next one automatically when you're there and put it in your calendar, and that way you will keep it up all the time. One little thing that I do with my hair cutting is that I do it with moon phases. I will create a full video about this in particular, but I cut my hair with the moon phases because I believe in energies, and I have seen that this actually makes a difference in my hair. I don't know about you, but it is something that in the Arab world it is kind of popular and we all do it, but maybe you don't know about it. I'm planning to make something about that, so also let me know in the comment section below if you would be interested to see such a thing. Next is hair color, and hair color is a big topic, but what I would advise you to do is have something easy to maintain according to your lifestyle. If you're a busy woman, I'm a busy woman, I have a very busy schedule on the daily, and if you are maybe a mom or you have a tight schedule, as I said, or you're simply lazy or don't have the capital money to go to the hair salon every month, it might be worth your while to check hair colors that can be maintained on a longer period. For example, the ombre was easy to maintain on a longer period if you know how to tone it when the color tone changes. By the way, I had a video a long while ago, I can link it in the cards. It's about how to do the hair toning at home very cheaply. And that was, I think I was the first one also to mention this publicly on YouTube, so it's worth checking out. It's a gem that I left to the world, so check it out. Or if you, for example, want a transformation fully, for example, you want your full head of hair to be red and you have black hair, go to a hair salon, do the full head color of hair, but make sure that your roots, you learn how to do them yourself at home. You can take the number that they used on you and you purchase the tube and do it at home. That way you can save it up, you can do it in the comfort of your home, maybe 12 a.m., depends on your schedule, and it is working. But make sure to have a hair color that is easy to maintain so that you never have to walk around with grown out roots, or if you cover up the white hair with a mix of white hair and your hair color. And by the way, a very nice way to go with your white hairs is that if you have a big percent of white hair, to completely transform your entire hair color to that color, and it is gorgeous. I've seen it on TikTok before. A girl did this and she had a lot of white hair and she turned into this beautiful gray hair that looked gorgeous on her, and it is so elegant. But that's the thing, you have to have a good maintenance to your hair color and to your haircut, because hair, believe it or not, if you wear a rack with beautiful clothes but your hair looks bad, you will look bad. If you wear a trash bin and you walk around with beautiful hair, people will think it's fashion. So this is very important to keep in mind your hair schedule. Next is things that are smarter but not harder. And the surprise is coming your way. So what is smarter than harder? If you do waxing every month, waxing appointments, or you do epilation, maybe it's worth your checkup to pay a little bit more for laser hair removal to just get this out of your way. By the way, my route into laser hair removal was when I was a student and I couldn't afford a full body lasering. So I did the most crucial areas that I always find it hard to top up every time. So since I was TMI, removing my bikini hair frequently, that was very time wasting and money wasting. And trust me, since I did it with the laser hair removal, I don't need to do it again. And that is the power of this. And I kept topping up. So I started investing in the bikini area, then my lower leg, upper leg, underarms. And by the time, of course, of 2-3 years, I was completely off of that, and I don't even think about it. It's just coming like this. If you don't remove your body hair, by all means, that's completely your thing to do. But at the same time, it's important, if you do something, to do it smarter, not harder, to make it efficient, because you are a busy lady. So you need to get your time free from these hassles that you can easily limit. By the way, regarding financing, things like that, I'm also planning something for you on the road this year, so make sure to stay tuned to know what it is. Make sure to sign up to get this freebie, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!